How to delete conversation on WhatsApp from both sides. Hi guys, welcome back. If you guys are wondering how, you can follow up this method. So go ahead and open up WhatsApp onto your device. And once you open up WhatsApp, you may go ahead and locate up the chat in which you want to delete conversation. So go ahead and go to the chat. And then from there, you may go ahead and enter up a message. Once you do that, hit send. And when you do that, what you're gonna do is you may long press, and then at the top you should be finding delete option. Tap on it, and you may select the option called delete for everyone. So you can remember that this option only works if it is done within some minutes. So you can only have this delete for everyone option for some minutes after you send it. So if you want to delete the message, be quick about it. So that's it for now. That is how you delete conversation on WhatsApp from both sides. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.